Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. There is a huge divide between the people and those who serve us. This story fully encapsulates the rift between us. In late April, 4 officers of the Metropolitan Police in Washington D.C. got bored of protecting and serving the taxpayers and decided instead to drag race our vehicles through our public streets. The only officer fired so far was the rookie. 3 others remain under investigation despite the Bodycam footage, 2 totaled vehicles, and hospital records of all 4 officers involved. More than likely, they'll be given an opportunity to resign and keep their pensions, and or be rehired in another department.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Check up, bro. Check up. Oh.
The incident happened at the 1400 block of Anacostia Avenue Northeast, just a few hundred feet from a public park and Kenilworth Elementary School. The road is narrow, has blind curves and speed bumps. The speed limit was set to 25, but these officers reportedly reached speeds of 60 miles per hour before crashing into each other and totaling 2 of our vehicles. When you use Google Street View, we find that the speed limit is actually 15 miles per hour when children are present. The department has conveniently blurred out all the bystanders, so we can't tell if there were children present at this time. In DC, a person shall be guilty of reckless driving if the person drives a vehicle on a highway carelessly and heedlessly in willful or wanton disregard for the rights or safety of others, or without due caution and circumspection, and at a speed or in a manner so as to endanger or be likely to endanger a person or property. Oh, but wait! A person shall be guilty of aggravated reckless driving if the person violates subsection B, and the person does one or more of the following. Number 1. Operates the vehicle at a rate of speed at or greater than 30 miles per hour over the stated speed limit. Check. Number 2. Causes bodily harm or permanent disability or disfigurement to another. Check. And number 3, causes property damage in excess of $1,000. Check. If this happened to any UPS team, I guarantee those employees would have been fired on the spot, fined, possibly arrested, and vehicles would have been impounded, and possible license suspensions. Instead, this department fired the rookie officer. Seems fair. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.